Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. I'm back at it again. I'm here located in the South Las Vegas Valley. Just about, I would say about 3 minutes from the 15. So today we're going to be touring this property by Tri Pointe. So this is the Plan 2 model. This one is 2,340 square feet. Now this one is a 3 bedrooms, but optional 4 bedrooms, and you have an option for a loft too as well. Great room, 2-car garage. The base price, which is the starting price, is $419,000. This is by Tri Pointe, and like I mentioned in the earlier video, you got 2 series. The series across the street here is the Atlas, and this one is Altitude. Okay, so we're gonna go inside. We're gonna take a look at this, but I'm gonna walk all the way around here for a second here. Looks like we got 1 air conditioning unit. On this one we have the Spanish concrete tile. Okay, I do definitely love the what do you call, control joints there. And what I like about this builder, they definitely do a lot of the color blocking, which is really nice on this spec. Now this is more like a Spanish style, okay? So it looks like it does come with some pavers too as well. Now with the contract, the landscaping that you see does not include this landscaping. You'll get the landscaping, but it's just going to be standard landscaping, okay? Smart home automated package system is included. You have an 8-foot door here. Now, as we come in, you have this nice little loft style, but I'm going to take you all the way back here. Okay. Now HOAs are going to be $47 a month. Okay. $189 lots. So let's start off here in the living room. So you got the 4-can traverse light ceilings, the LED. On this one, it looks like you have the surround sound 5.0. You do have the pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Typically comes with your cable and your Cat 6 in the living room, and also the loft area, and also the master. Ooh, I like this couch. Let me sit down on this couch. Not as comfortable, but it definitely looks cool. Wow, look at that light right there. Nice, right? So it looks like your dining table is going to be down here in the center. Now, with these center slides here, this is a 12-foot. These are vinyl, dual pane windows with the low E. Now, when you get this, I always run into this problem all the time. You see the center piece right here? You need to make sure it's flushed all the way to the bottom. If not, you're going to have that gap. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And also, you have gaps up there. Okay, those are the things that you have to take a look at. Now, one of these, right, will lock. This one is just for, oops, let me show you. This one is just only for show, so it's only this one. Coming out to the backyard here, I know this is a little bit noisy, but let me just kind of show you how close we are to the strip. McCarran International is probably, well, now it's called Harry Reid International, is basically right down there. You're probably about 15 minutes. This is a view fencing. This street right here is the Silverado, right? Street. The 15 is less than like 5 minutes. You jump on the strip. You jump on the 15. You'll literally be on the strip less than like 15 minutes. Got the built-in grill here, which is kind of cool. That's not included. All this is going to be dirt, so. Love this aluminum covered patio. I can't wait to show you guys mine. I'm doing one right now. I'm going to do a full, probably a time lapse on it and a full review on it. Now let's come back here. Okay. You got your 1-inch pop outs. Stub. Typically that's an upgrade, $450. I've seen them all the way up to $650, depending on the builder. Now coming back into the property, and they ran this 12 by 24 on the tile. Pretty unique here. I do love how they ran this tile. 3/16 on the stagger with the bull nose here. We talked about straight edge on the cornering is very hard to run. You better be really good at what you do. This looks like the standard 2-inch on the granite here, looks like. I believe so. However, keep in mind, it's really not 2 inches. I had like some guy complaining, say, hey, why don't you tell the truth? Well, all right, well, let me just tell you the truth. And you have plywood underneath here, okay? You do have your undermounted sink, stainless steel. Push button again. You get your nice espresso cabinets, it looks like. I do like this backsplash here. That's kind of cool. Pretty creative. 42 upper cabinets. Now the texture on here is the Santa Fe texture. This stove right here is a upgraded stove from the last video that we had did. Now you do have your convection microwave. Let's go take a look at the, you know what? Let's take a look at these drawers real quick. Oop, fast closing drawers. I mean, you can do the dovetails and you can do the soft closing. So what you see here is just going to be a shelf. Oh, look at it. You got more room down the staircase or underneath the staircase here. Now, I don't know if you guys can see that texture or not, but that is the Santa Fe texture. Straight edge cornering. Okay. We got 9-foot ceilings. Uh-oh, why is this gimbal? Yeah, make a correction here. Here we go. Come on. Here's going to be our 2-car garage. And this just kind of shows you the quality built of Tri Pointe. Now, I did other videos on that, so I'm not going to walk through that right now. But this is your 2-car garage. Here, we have the lounge. Now, you can literally do a 4th bedroom here and do the full bath as well. But it won't be a suite. This would just be a bedroom down here. So that is an option. Now, I probably would leave this like this. Let me know in the comments below what you would do. What do you think you're going to get more bang for your buck as far as value-wise? Now, that's just a personal preference. Now, as far as for like money-wise, if you turn this into a bedroom and you also have the bathroom, your money is really going to go a long way. But I like it the way it is. But now let's go upstairs. Whoa. This staircasing is very unique. It starts off very wide, then it starts to narrow down about 48 inches, which is really nice. Now, you can take that room right there and turn that into a loft. Let's see here. Yeah, I think I would probably take this, have this into a loft for sure. Okay. Let's see what Rudy's doing. Let's spawn Rudy. Where did Rudy go? I seen him. Rudy went somewhere. We got 9-foot ceilings on the second floor, 6'8" on the door. I definitely would go 8-foot ceilings. Coming to the bathroom, 12 by 24 on the tile, 36 inches on the cabinet, half an inch on the man-made surface here. Now, this is not quartz. Tub shower combo. On this tub shower combo, I definitely would do the glass for sure on this one. The sliding glass. So it looks like we have storage here. Okay. Not that huge. Laundry room here. Let's take a look at this. Bedroom. Bedroom's a little bit bigger than 12 by 10. This one only has a pre-wire for chandelier here, or light fixture. You got 8 by 2 here, or 2 by 8 on the closet. I noticed on this spec they got transfer grills here versus the transfer duct. Coming into the laundry room. Laundry room's not that big. I love the fact that they do have a pan here. Upgrade option with the cabinets. And I love the fact that they built this right here. That's kind of cool. Now let's go take a look at the master. You got a king size bed. Nightstands are pretty wide. Now on this one, they got 2 surround sounds here, but they don't have the can light. So on this spec, I definitely would do that because it's so dark. I mean, let's walk back here. See what we got. Now we have the 12 by 24. This tile right here is like very popular. So this is your walk-in shower. You do have the option to do a tub and shower. Okay. Let's take a look here. Ooh, those grout lines didn't even finish it all the way through. That's the thing about black grout. Like, you better make sure things are straight and on point. And when you start doing black tile, you better have soft water. That's for sure. Closet, decent. Single panel door, that's definitely an upgrade. Let's take a look at our water closet. That's where you're going to make your stinky. You got the undermounted sink here. And I do love that backsplash here. Well, not bad for this one, right? Whoops. Alright, we're going to walk downstairs. We're going to finish this video. You guys know how I like to finish this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So you can see how the staircase is getting wider as we come down. Alright folks, if you guys have not had a chance to subscribe, please tell your friends and family. And don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. It's a great website to get started to look at homes, no matter if you're buying resale or brand new. We definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Also, another thing, the team is growing very fast. We have a lot of business coming in, and we need your help. If you want to be a part of the CKG group, reach on out to us, okay? Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.